Hello my good people, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to do your twist using lock method. This is a very simple method in case you don't know how to clip your hair. This method is very simple. First of all, you portion your hair, hold it, you secure the other one so that it cannot disturb you. Okay, you take the hair that you are going to twist and hold it with your thumb and index finger. This is my hair extension that I'm going to twist the hair with. Hold your hair firmly with thumb and index finger like this. Place your hair up like that. Go 2 to 3 rounds firmly like this, and then hold the hair with the thumb and the index finger, again the hair extension, then go ahead and split the hair into 2 like this. Okay, twist the right side first like that and cross over like that all the way till the end. Let us do the same process again for you to understand it better. Hold it like that firmly, then 2 to 3 rounds, then you hold your extension to the right side with your thumb and index finger, split your hair into 2, twist the right side first, then you cross over like that. Repeat the same process till you do it in a perfect way. Twist it all the way down. I recommend that you do practice, because if you struggle to start this twist, then you are not into it. Just do practice and believe in yourself, because if you believe in yourself, you're going to do it. Motivate yourself. Thank you guys, and please do share this video to an auntie, a sister, a mom, a girl, anyone who want to learn braiding skills. It will help her or him. And please kindly do subscribe. Thank you so much.